Shoutout nga pala kay sa Mars ko na nasa England, si Mars Teresa Smith, Damian Smith, and Bernard Smith. Shoutout sa inyong tatlo dyan. Ingat kayo palagi. Excited akong makita uli kayo, makapag-banding uli tayo. Kasi alam mo na, Mars, naputol yung ating banding. Excited ako, paulit-ulit na lang, see you soon. Excited ako, Mars. Say hi to Mars, Teresa Smith, mahal ko, Damian and Bernard.
She's there now, live or no?
This is my vlog. I shout out both of them.
Hi Maria, Damian, Bernard. Come on, let's dance. Dance, dance the night away. And drink a little bit also.
Yeah. Mars, hindi lang barbecue ang gagawin natin doon, ha. Siyempre, ano rin tayo. Mag-ano din tayo, Mars, inom tayo ng Baileys. Gusto ko Baileys talaga. I love Baileys. Pero hindi naman ako dati umiinom ng mga ganyan. Nung natikman ko yung Baileys, naku, my God, ang sarap. Kasi creamy. Creamy siya. Wow, nice. Nice color of the water. Guys, oh.
It's really green.
It's really green.
Not blue, but green actually.
Turquoise color. Huh? That is turquoise color. Do you want to swim? Huh? Wow. Ang taas ng bundok, oh. Maglalakad-lakad muna kami ng asawa ko. Ganda ng tubig, guys, oh. Kulay green. Say hi to our vlogs.
Hi, this is we are in north of Italy. It's not Tyrol. Tyrol is on the Austrian side. This is but we're up in the mountains actually. Now we are about 800 meters over sea level, and we found this lovely place. We did Green Lake. We have a look around, and it's 15 degrees. It's a bit cold.
Kala ko may tao sa likod. Yeah, me too. I like the style of the house here because it feels like unique.
Yeah.
That is video.
But you say picture.
Nine.
Okay. People who come here for holiday, they are like to go walking in the mountains and exercise a lot.
Masakit ang ulo ko. Nakalimutan ko magdala ng cups.
We go there out on the bridge and we can go to the road there and back.
Oh, punta daw kami sa bridge. Mag-walking. Pero sana hindi lumakas yung ulan. Kasi umaambon na.
No mobile parking.
Wow. Not allowed to park the mobile
Yeah,
here.
it would be nice to stay in the night.
Yeah, that's true. Sabi ng asawa ko, Chinese daw tsaka Filipino the same. Look at my face and their face is a bit different. Especially in the eyes. So punta tayo dito sa bridge. Mag-tour tayo dito. Oh my God.
There's something up there.
Cold na dito guys. 16 degrees. Careful sa phone, baka malaglag. Mga bahay dito, meron din silang mga flowers tulad nito. Oh. May flowers sa terrace, kahit sa mga bintana. Pero sa ano, tulad dito, oh, may mga flowers sa bintana. Yan. Katulad din sa Germany, yung style dito ay may pagkahawig. Pero nagustuhan ko talaga dito sa bandang north. Pero malapit na to sa Austria. Yung style ng mga bahay dito ay ang gaganda. Ayan o. Wow. Nice. Maroon window. Ang gaganda. Ayan o. Bahay doon. Ayun o, sa taas.
Det är en utleje for winter.
Yeah.
Renting.
Renting house.
Yeah. Oh, what?
Wow. This one, oh, nice house too. This one.
Yeah.
Ang
Bruna
ganda.
lite trafik här för ögonblicket.
I like this. Mga flowers, ang dami. Talagang ginagastusan nila yung pag-decorate nila sa bahay. Yan din ang mga gusto kong style. May mga flowers sa labas ng bahay. I like that asawa. There's a lot of different kinds of flowers outside of the house.
Look at
This one too. Wow. Wala akong nakitang mga ganyan.
Mobilparkering.
Oh yeah, mobile parkering. Vilda Olgordar. Okay. Nice minuman. I like the house here. Ano muna sana kami, magpahinga, kaya lang hindi maganda yung view. Walang tubig, yung river, natuyo ang river doon sa gusto namin na pagpahingahan. Ayan guys, so ang gaganda ng mga bahay oh. Ayan oh. May pagkalumang style yung iba pero unique tingnan. Ang ganda.
A lot of tents.
Yeah.
Like a market oh? Not what it is.
No, that is for the people playing golf.
Golf?
Yeah. Or tennis, I think. Tennis. There's a lot of tourists here. And that is a hotel and restaurant. Oh, yeah.
Looks like a lake. It's like, nice place.
Yeah.
High up in the mountain.
Hotel. Yeah. May small city na naman dito, besh. Oh. Austria na po kami.
Take second exit at roundabout.
Oh,
Wow, ang daming souvenirs. I like souvenirs.
Football t-shirts.
I rundkjøringen,
I like
ta første avkjøring
football
til
t-shirt
Fravlasdalstallet 49.
From Spain.
From Spain.
Yeah.
Football t-shirt from Spain, and you are in Italy.
Yeah. I like also Italy.
Roundabout.
Charot.
Where we go, I forgot to say.
First exit.
Følg Stravlasdalstallet 49.
Beautiful house. Noong 2019, dumaan lang kami sa Austria ng asawa ko. Tapos dumaan, at least nakababa kami sa Switzerland pala. Sa Geneva, Switzerland. Ngayon pupunta kami sa Austria. At least makakaapak na ako ng Austria. Mas maganda pang mga bahay dito sa sa bulubundukin kaysa dun sa city. I don't like the house in the city. I like the house here because beautiful and unique, antique. Ganitong lugar ang gusto ko. Wow, mobile home. I like this place, mahal ko. If you like to buy a house, if you ask me where we can buy a house, city or here, I choose here.
There's no other Filipino, and maybe no, we can even buy rice.
I like without Filipino.
Oh, it's nice if you have like 8 friends coming together and talking about.
I don't like to have a lot of friends here in Europe because some are chismosa and there's a lot of jealousy. Jealousy is headache. Too much headache. Sumasayaw yung aking camera. Bye bye Italy, we are here.
So you have trains even here.
Yeah,
This is train.
yeah, a lot. Osterix, Austria. Ito storbo to sa akin pag ako nag-vlog. Kasi minsan gumaganon yung camera ko. Tsaka umaalog yung... Kaya hindi ako nagba-vlog madalas pag nasa biyahe kami. Kasi umaalog kasi yung camera ko pag nasa biyahe kami. Malikot ang sasakyan eh. Kaya kailangan meron akong holder sa phone. Or sa camera.
No painting on the train. Right?
Yeah,
Nice.
no, have a paint.
Yeah, but that is the art, not from the.
Yeah, that's true. And that is a clean train. Kasi lahat ng nakita namin na train sa city, ang dumi. And also old train asawa. Remember? Wow, mobile home.
Approaching the fixed speed camera at 280 meters.
Yan ang
is 50.
2 months na pala kami kahapon dito sa Italy. Naka 2 months na kami, thanks God.
But we don't see much animal outside, like cows or sheep or nothing.
Yeah. 2 months na kami, imagine. Pero konti lang yung vlog ko doon sa dito sa Italy. Nakalimutan ko palang i-shoutout si Ma'am Pamela, our engineer friend. Ma'am Pamela, shout out. At saka kay Day Malo, the whole family. Dati pangarap kong makabalik dito sa Italy.
Speed camera in 350
Pero
meters. Speed
hindi na
limit is
kami
50
nakapunta dun
kilometers
sa
per hour.
pinanggalingan namin noong 2019. May nagustuhan ako dun na bag at saka sandals, kaya lang hindi na kami nakabalik dun. Nasa kabilang kami, side. So malayo yung napuntahan namin noong 2019. So in 5 minutes, nasa Austria na kami. Kaya ayun. I-tour ko kayo guys ha.